Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad G50-80. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad G50-80 won't start, you're not alone. This issue often arises from a failing hard drive, which can prevent your laptop from booting up properly. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to data loss or permanent damage to your device. Today, we'll guide you through the process of extracting and replacing the hard drive to get your laptop up and running again. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a new compatible hard drive for your Lenovo Ideapad G50-80. Begin by ensuring your laptop is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Start by removing the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew the screws securing the panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors while doing this. Now that you have access to the internals of your laptop, locate the hard drive. It is typically a rectangular metal casing secured with additional screws. Unscrew these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to apply even pressure when unscrewing to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the hard drive out of its slot. Be sure to disconnect any cables attached to it gently. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new hard drive and connect it to the same cable you just disconnected. Ensure it fits snugly into the slot before securing it with the screws you initially removed. Once the hard drive is in place, carefully replace the back cover of your laptop. Align it properly and press down to ensure it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. Before turning your laptop back on, double-check that everything is reconnected properly and that no tools or loose screws are left inside. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly back up your data and consider using an external hard drive for extra storage. Also, keep your laptop clean and dust-free to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.